In 1974, my father, Sonny retired as a car wash operator, and then in 1978, he opened up a small car wash parts company called Sonny's. How small? Real small. He sold 3 replacement items. One was an aluminum coupler, the second was a plastic vacuum nozzle, and the third was a synthetic chamois that was a replacement part for a drying machine. In the 1980s, while I was running car washes with my brother, I was helping my dad with his marketing. I came out with his first catalog in 1988. This is it. This thing tripled his business overnight. In 1991, I came out with a second catalog, which doubled it again, and Dad was furious. He never wanted to be the largest. Dad had built Sonny's as a way to help some of his friends that were in the industry and to give them some place to go every day. Today, the catalog is a little over 1,100 pages, and we now have over 15,000 parts in stock ready to ship from Sonny's. And in that parts supply, it includes parts for Pico, Autovac, Hydroflex, and another 14 OEMs. Our focus on being the best supplier to our clients has led Sonny's to being the largest manufacturer in the world of computerized car wash equipment, parts, and supplies.
When I started at Sonny's, we had one distribution center in Tamarack, Florida. Although Sonny's led the industry with the largest parts catalog and the best-in-class shipping and delivery times, we're always thinking of ways we can better deliver to our customers. We know downtime equals lost revenue, so we committed to a nationwide expansion of our distribution facilities to get closer to our customers. A centerpiece of our strategy was establishing a distribution network that allowed us to deliver within 2 days of receiving an order. In March of 2020, we opened our second full-service distribution center in Phoenix, Arizona. In 2021, we expanded our distribution network through Sonny's Car Wash Services and added 8 additional regions for local support and distribution of parts nationwide. And just last year, we followed up with opening 3 additional facilities in Georgia, Texas, and New Hampshire. Today, with a total of 5 distribution centers and our regional Sonny's Car Wash Services warehouses, we have the capacity to deliver over 96% of our orders in 2 days or less. Locations are also within driving distance of car wash owners, so they can pick up a part at their nearest DC or regional warehouse. At Sonny's Parts, we deliver. We know that uptime and reliability are key components to running a successful car wash operation, and we have the parts, people, and systems in place to make car washing easy so you can keep on washing.